Alright, for the question we have right over here is to simplify. All what we need to say is equal to, okay? Then square root of 27 plus square root of 32 over square root of 18, okay? Then this is equal to, and if you have seen this question nicely, this square we have right here, they are not perfect square, okay? We can separate on the top by saying square root of 9 times square root of 3, then plus, and you have to know that this 9 times 3 equal to 27 plus square root of 16, then times square root of a 2. This dot means times, okay? Then what we have done on the top, have to done it on denominator. We have it square root of a 9 times square root of a 2, okay? Then equal to square root of a 9, that is a 3 square root of a 3 plus square root of 16 equal to a 4 square root of a 2 over 3 square root of a 2. Okay, at this stage here we have to multiply the conjugate of this denominator. What we say, we have 3 square root of a 3 plus 4 square root of a 2 over 3 square root of a 2. Then multiply the conjugate. We say here we have 3 square root of a 2 and 3 square root of a 2. Okay, then if you have seen nicely, this is a 1. If you multiply a 1 on any question, nothing will be changed, okay? So that this is equal to 3 square root of 2, 3 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 2 will give us a 9 square root of a 6 plus 4 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 will give us 12 square root of a 4 over 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2, that is a 9 square root of a 4, okay? Then this will be a 9 square root of a 6 plus 12 times a 2, because square root of a 4 equals a 2. Then over a 9 times a 2, okay? Then we can say equal to a 9 square root of a 6 plus 24 over 18. But here we have to simplify by factorizing a 3 on both sides to get 3 square root of 3 times 3 square root of 6 plus an 8 over 18, okay? Now by simplifying we shall get 3 square root of a 6 plus 8 over a 6, okay? And we shall say that this is final solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.